So we're going to start our tour here in a few minutes. Start raining again? It just started raining again.
It's raining.
It's all right. It's for our vacation.
It's only raining on that side.
I know, it's Florida.
You gotta love Florida. So yeah, so somebody just pointed out it's raining on one side of the trolley, not the other. That's a Florida thing. You wake up, there's raining in the back of your house, and
It's thunder.
it's okay. See, it stops. Yeah, look, the rooster followed us. The rooster followed us. I think it likes to have its colors. Purple. Oh, look, it wants to bother Asher.
Alright, so for those of you that are on the cruise ship, let me ask you this. Where's the cruise ship coming from today? Please remain seated while the trolley is in motion. There is no smoking, vaping, or consumption of alcohol on board the trolley. Please keep your arms, legs, and head inside the vehicle at all times. If you need to talk to your neighbor, please just do so in a whisper, and please silence your cell phones out of respect for everyone along the tour. But like I said, folks, any questions along the way, please do not hesitate to ask. So in addition to the Key West Cooking School, in the second story of the building here on our right, just tell you a little bit more about this building. This is known as building number 1 because it was the first masonry building on Old Key West Navy Base. Originally it was a coal Key West, Florida. And if you can't tell, they've definitely done their job over the years, considering Key West is one of the only frost-free areas in the continental United States. So it's a pretty good thing we have them. Just in Next on this right corner, folks, is the Mel Fisher Maritime Museum. Mel Fisher was a treasure hunter who for 16 long years sunk his fan galleon, the Nuestra Senora de Atocha of the Santa Margarita. Her bar actually got its name from the Sikorsky plane that crashed to its roof many years ago, providing a unique bar top of an aluminum airplane wing. Now down this driveway you'll see a little cottage in the back. That was actually the winter home of Robert Frost, where he spent 16 winters here in the West.
So this is the second stop on the trolley tour. The first one was literally right next to the port. So we're gonna go check out a train depot, right? Established in 1912. It's actually pretty cool. You could walk around the town. I like tours like this because you make it your own. It's what you want to do. You're not stuck in cruises, excursions. Unless you want to be, right? Like we could just done the entire tour on the thing and without getting up. But this way we get to explore. The Flagler Station, 1912. So there we go. Sorry for the bad videography. I promise I'm getting better. Look at this guy yelling all aboard. I'm gonna call him my Uncle Fred. I don't have an Uncle Fred. And it's Ashley is taking pictures for you guys to enjoy later on.
Hi.
Here we are.
You're just coming to look? How are you doing today?
So Fort Jefferson and so cool right here. A little tiny lighthouse out in the distance. Little lighthouse. Yeah. I guess you could rent some bikes and actually have yourself a bike tour.
Last time I was here, we rode bikes around. We didn't stop at the we didn't stop at the Southernmost Point.
So this guy started hitting on Ashley, and now she's in love with him. We call him SpongeBob. SpongeBob, not so square pants.
Heading down towards that is Hemingway House, the lighthouse, and that lantern is going to fall into the sea. So they retrieved the lantern, and about a year later, they're coming up over here on your right, you're going to see a church. This is going to be the Sandy Coronation AME Church. Sandy will be born in slavery in Maryland in 1793. He eventually obtains his freedom for him and his wife Lila. They're going to move down to this area right here. We're known as Bahama Village. And he's good with farming. Well, let's pull in to stop by Hemingway House, White House, 1 block ahead of us. Stop by. Keys. There's over 800 keys here in Florida. And the major difference between an island and a key is that an island has its own source of fresh water. A little bit, but we're going to go around the curve here and pull into our next stop number 8, Gibson Inn.
Pretty water.
Those homes down there, that's called the Gold Coast. They say it takes a bucket of gold just to live down there. And you know, it's probably true. And now these mangroves here that we have on each side of this, those little trees on the palm trees, but mangroves are what creates a key over hundreds of centuries with its roots in the salt water.
Alright, so we've made it to the southernmost point.
Look, it's a lunch. Closed for vacation.
I bet nobody's seen this from this angle before.
Wow.
So we made it to the southernmost point. I will show you guys here in a second. I'm going to try to do a drone shot from it. here in a few seconds.
I was wondering what you did.